All right, that says we're live. I hope that that's accurate. Good morning, Facebook. I'm Adam Smith with the Core Finance Group. And you guys are probably used to us doing a live video subsequent to our blog getting published. And Jen, thank you so much. Credit where credit's due to our marketing director, Jen Wayboer, for the blog post this time around, which is kind of interesting. It really doesn't have anything to do with mortgages or real estate or finance or investing or any of that kind of stuff. Sorry, my computer thinks it's time to get to work here. So the blog post is about iconic summer travel destinations in the U.S. Obviously, international travel is still relatively difficult, and I think after reading the blog Jen wrote that it's actually all lower 48. It's all continental U.S. The first one on the list is the Grand Canyon, which is a spectacular sight. There's no question. It's been a long time since I've seen it. I do have some family in Arizona and was able to see it with my Aunt Tina, my dad's sister, many years ago. I think I was barely old enough to drive a car. The second one is Yellowstone. I've seen that one too. It is amazing. My wife and older son, my younger son hadn't been born yet, did it till we took our RV up there for a couple of weeks. Yellowstone and the Tetons. It is spectacular. Well, I can't even describe the wildlife and the thermal features and on and on. And if you're here in Colorado, it's actually pretty close. Yellowstone's a really cool one on the list. Cape Cod, absolutely iconic American destination. No question, we do have some good friends who spend quite a bit of time there, but they're East Coasters by nature. Portland, Maine is on this list, and I'm starting to think that Jen, being from Maine, snuck this one in there. That she, I've never been. I've never been to Maine. I've certainly never been to Portland, Maine. The photo that she posted in the description certainly make it seem amazing, but iconic summer destination, we're going to talk about that one today, Jen. Chicago, great city. I'm not a fan of the heat. Add that the humidity, that Midwest humidity to it. I don't know if I would consider Chicago a great summer destination. Spring and fall, absolutely. But if you've never been, Chicago it's a hell of a town. No question. And the last one on our list is San Diego. And now it sounds biased, like I snuck one in there, although I did not. And San Diego is incredible. It is one of the greatest coastal cities. It's got great weather. It's got great culture. It's got great food. San Diego is probably one of the coolest places in the contiguous 48 states. So those are the half dozen that we highlighted for the iconic summer travel destinations in our blog post. Good morning, Jen. I see you watching, and we're going to talk about Portland. But those are the 6 iconic summer destinations that we put into our blog post this time around. If you want to go read more about these cities, see the photos that we put up, you can certainly go to the blog on our website. That's on the left side of your screen, or you can use our text code, text core to 63566, and it will ping that stuff back to you. And not that this would normally be content for these videos, but I would be remiss if I didn't say happy anniversary to my lovely bride, Liz. 18 years today we've been married. I was looking at some old photos from our wedding this morning, and man, we were kids, babe. So that's it for the blog post. Again, happy anniversary to my wife, Liz. And hopefully you guys have an amazing day, week, and we will see you next time.